मतदान का हक हमको संविधान ने दिया है, उसको छीन लेने का किसी का अधिकार नहीं है। इलेक्शन कमीशन हमको धमका रही है और डरा रही है। हमको अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन धमकाती है, डराती है,
Honorable LOP, the floor is yours.
You are a supreme authority.
Honorable LOP.
You are our guardian. सर, मतदान का हक हमको संविधान ने दिया है, उसको छीन लेने का किसी का अधिकार नहीं है। और इलेक्शन कमीशन हमको धमका रही है और डरा रही है और ये कह रही है आप एफिडेविट दो। हमने एफिडेविट दिया है।
This is not going on record. I'm sorry, this is not going on record. Please, microphone,
Please.
microphone,
प्लीज
microphone. Yeah,
एक मिनट। हाँ सर, हमको अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन धमकाती है, डराती है।
You see, this is not going on record. No, this is not part of the bill. This is not part of the bill. This is not part of the bill. It will not go on record. This is not go on record. This is not part of the bill. This is not going to go on record. This is not part of the bill. Honorable LOP, you're aware of it. It's not going on record. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Please, everyone, in your seats. In your seats. Honorable LOH only. This going on record. No one else is going on record. Silence in the house, please. Please, silence in the house. Honorable LOH is on his legs. Honorable LOH is on his legs.
Sir,
Honorable LOH will only go on record.
मैं फिर से
Let us have silence in the house, please.
मैं
Honorable
फिर से
LOH.
अपनी बात रिपीट करता हूं। 21 जुलाई को जब सत्र शुरू हुआ था, तब मैंने बड़े स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहा था कि यह सरकार
Please, please.
नियम संगत whatever is permitted in the rules, this government under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi
Please.
is ready to
Order in the
have
house.
discussion
Order in the
on any
house.
subject which can be taken.
If you have to leave, please leave silently. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable LOH.
Time and again, the chair has given the ruling that the issue which they wanted to raise cannot be raised according to the rules of business as set by, and it has been expressed by you and by the chair many times. They have got no interest in discussion, and I would like to bring on
Please, let's
record
have order in the house.
that they have
Please, let's have
wasted
order in the house.
69 hours, 1 minute
Please.
of this house. 69 hours have been wasted because of the way they have been behaving. This irresponsible behavior of the opposition, the country is seeing, देश देख रहा है, और हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि इनको कोई भी चर्चा में रुचि नहीं है।